Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Cancer, let's see. What's up with you this week? Fifth house, which is the house of passion. This is about dating. So, pwedeng this week, you will go out on a date, have fun, enjoy the company of your friends or your kids, no? Kung meron ka ng anak. Or, maaring meron kang bagong kinagigiliwan na libangan. Pisces energy, which is about your sensitivity, your instinct, your intuition. So, this week, malakas yung pakiramdam mo about a lot of things. So, pay attention sa nararamdaman mo at a certain point kasi maaring merong message sa'yo ang universe na ito yung sign or ito yung guidance para sa'yo. You can also be very creative, no? Ngayong week na to with the sun here. Pisces energy is also about creativity. Fifth house, creativity rin yan. I also see maaring kung single ka, pwedeng ikaw ay lalabas with someone to go on a date na parang you just wanna have fun, no? Gusto mo lang subukan, gusto mo lang mag-entertain ng new person sa buhay mo, or pwede ring having fun with your friends. The sun is your energy ng confidence mo, no? Sa sarili mo. Maari ring meron kang hinihil. It's like you are healing your inner child. Let's see what else. For Cancer, you have the Emperor. Oh. You have the Sun. Uy, double Sun, no? You have the Fool. Six of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Ang ganda ng energies for you, Cancer, no? You have the Emperor, so everything is under control. Everything is well planned, no? Planado mo yung mga ganap mo ngayong week na to. Yung iba, merong travel or merong kayong pagsasaluhan within the family or meron ka mga asikasuhin na importanteng dokumento related sa family mo or related to sa business. This is taking a risk. So, pwedeng meron kang i-revive. Parang gagawin mo ulit or susubukan mo ulit na pwedeng ito ay hindi nag-work sa'yo noon. So, ngayon, susubukan mo ulit siyang gawin. Okay? This can be a project, this can be a job or a business or a career na hindi mo masyadong natutukan noon or it didn't work for you before, but I think ngayon you're going to give that a chance. So magte-take ka ng risk ulit in finding that opportunity ulit para sa'yo. Yung iba pwedeng yung iba uuwi ng probinsya or uuwi sa inyong ancestors, like sa family ninyo, like for example, hindi ka nakatira sa parents mo or sa lolo't lola mo, tapos meron kang kailangan balikan sa probinsya kasi meron kang ayusin related sa mana, related sa properties, ari-arian. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong leadership role na mag-open. Like, itong opportunity na to, pwedeng meron sa inyong mapopromote sa trabaho. You have the Ten of Swords, so this is ending of a difficult situation. So, pwedeng merong ending related uh, sa isang career or a business or issue or toxic situation within the family na finally natatapos na, nare-resolve na, lalo na kung ito yung may kinalaman sa pera. Kasi minsan di naman maiiwasan yan sa family, no? Merong nag-aaway-away sa pera or sa mga ari-arian. Let's see what else. Happening soon. Ano tong mangyayari soon? Within 1 to 3 months. Oh, this is having fun. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, starting ngayong week na to, meron kayong mga plano, no? May mga gagawin kayong plans for having fun. So, pwedeng ito ay pagpunta sa ibang lugar, pag-travel, or meron kayong project na gagawin na kung saan you will tap into your talents, your skill set, at kumbaga gagawin mo siya kasi nag-enjoy ka. You also have freedom. So, freeing yourself. May pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo. Siguro pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo sa mga energies ng past na yan yung pumipigil sa'yo para ma-enjoy yung present moment mo. Puro time ito oh. Ano to? Ba't puro time? Oh, okay. Meron lang advance na message for you. So, within 6 to 9 months, maaring meron kang papasuking contract. This can be a relationship, no? Pwede itong trabaho, negosyo, na papasukin mo. Meron ka ring wish na matutupad. As long as you are taking action, no? Gumagawa ka ng action towards it. Na alam mo yung kailangan gawin for that to happen. So, example, gusto mong ang pangarap mo is makapag-abroad. Like, example, trabaho sa Australia or magkaroon ng residency, permanent residency. Siyempre, hindi yun mangyayari kung wala kang gagawin. You really have to do something about it. So, kung gagawa ka ng action dyan, magagrant yung wish mo. Okay, let's see money, career, finances for Cancer. You have the High Priestess. This is your knowledge. You have the Hanged Man and the 9 of Wands. Okay, pagdating sa career, trabaho, yung mga plano mo, hindi mo na sinishare sa iba. So, kumbaga sa inyo, halimbawa, may plano kayong mag-resign. Hindi na ninyo sasabihin kahit na sino. Lalo na kung, nahihirapan ka na. So, kumbaga, pinaplano mo yan sa isip mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo after magre-resign or kung ano yung mga actions mo, no? Preparation mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pagod. Pagod na kayo, parang feeling ninyo, walang direction, itong career or trabaho na to. And now, you are taking action but in silence. So, you are working in silence para makuha mo yung goal mo talaga. Oo. Minsan kasi, pag naikwento na natin, na jinx, diba? So, just keep it to yourself. Sa love life, yung iba sa inyo ay in love sa isang person, sa person ninyo. Maaring may obsession rin dito, no? Medyo mahirap yan pag may obsession kasi parang hindi mo na nabibigyan ng chance rin yung sarili mo na maging kampante. Kasi minsan nag-overthink ka sa relationship mo with someone. Like, ano yung ginagawa niya? Ano kaya siya? Ganto gaya siya? So, maaring meron ditong trust issues for some of you. If you choose, kung pinipili mo na makipagrelasyon sa isang tao, so, number one, kailangan nagtitiwala ka sa kanya. Kung wala kang tiwala sa kanya, then what is the purpose of the relationship? Anyway, 'di ba? Kasi kung wala kang tiwala, mahirap na 'yan na na i-maintain na hindi kayo magkakaproblema. Passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desire. So, this makes sense. Like what I mentioned kanina sa first part ng reading ninyo, you are going to pursue your passion. And yan yung main energy or main goal ninyo for this week. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.